You just got to break the habit. And one way is just getting around people that can teach you, educate you, right? Because when you know better, you do better. I mean, it's simple.
True.
It's all, you know what I'm saying? When you know better, you do better, right? And it's a better way. Like, you can actually live a life. Here's the crazy part. You can actually live a life where somebody else pay for your lifestyle, right? Most people on here that know me, they know I don't pay for hardly anything. I'm spending money every day, but guess what? Somebody else paying for it. How can I leverage other people's money? OPM, other people's money. Want to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Comment business to start your own journey.